Hi everyone, it's Stephanie. I'm back with another video. For this one I'm doing an acrylic pour. I'm doing a puddle pour. I really love the way this one came out. At first I wasn't sure. I felt it was a little too busy, but upon really looking at it, I think it has so many beautiful parts of it, and it all seems to work really well together. This puddle pour is kind of Melly D style. It's not the same formula, but I'm doing a couple of things that she does, as you will see, like running my finger through the puddles. I did have an issue with my paints being a little too thick. This is a new formula I'm using. For this one I'm using floetrol and gluol. Because when I first started pouring, I bought pretty much everything that I saw on YouTube that I might need. And then I ended up not really using those ingredients. So I kind of want to use them up and not waste them. I did, for this one, I believe I did like 33% for each one. So 33% floetrol, 33% gluol, and 33% paint with very little water. Well, leave me a comment if you have any questions or feedback, and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you want to make sure you don't miss any of my videos, be sure to click on the bell. So this is the painting hanging on the wall. There are so many parts of this that I absolutely love. This part right here, love that. This right here is just, I can't. It's just so amazing. And it's so, that blue is like almost like an electric blue. That's the, I think that's the PBO green blue that turned into a blue. Because it was on top of that blue. There's just a lot of energy in it. My boyfriend says it reminds him of like aerial shots of Antarctica. Not quite sure about that, but this piece makes me super happy, and I really love how it came out. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video.